guys. It's super insane. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It actually works, guys, and it is super cool. So hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free food on Uber Eats in 2026. So as you can see, we have the Uber Eats mod right here. I'm going to open this up, and as you can see, when we go over to our order, it actually has this payment, of course, which is $36, but there's the option to activate developer mode and bypass the payment. So as you can see, guys, it says dev mode activated, your next order will be free. So let's place the order and it should go through, and it says placing order. So let's see what happens. And we should get it for free. So it looks like we are getting the order. Hang tight. All right, my order should be coming. Order placed. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this. So what you have to do is type in tweakmod.com. So on this site, there's going to be a number of apps. So put in Uber, press install, and before it downloads, there will be a verification. So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store, and then you will have the Uber Eats mod on your phone, and you can actually basically get all the food for free. So let's just give it a second here for this to load up. As you can see, I've done this a couple times, but I've never really made a video about it, so I just thought maybe someone out there was interested in getting free food. So let's give it a second, and as you can see, it says missing files. So what I have to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free and they're from the official app store. So like Scanner app, you got to search something up. Then we have Family Island, where you have to reach level 10 on the game. So that one didn't work, but anyway, there's lots of these guys, so be sure to try it out. I'll see you guys later, but that's how to get it.